This is the brief on the Mitsubishi Destinator. Just debuting in Indonesia, this brand new 7-seat midsize SUV is a highly adaptable family hauler that perfectly blends rugged capability with premium modern tech. First, let's talk performance. It packs a 1.5-liter MIVEC turbocharged engine pushing 161 horsepower and 250 newton-meters of torque through a super smooth CVT. It's technically front-wheel drive, but honestly, think of it kind of like a city commuter wearing hiking boots. With a massive 214mm ground clearance, 18-inch wheels, Active Yaw Control, and 5 drive modes – normal, wet, gravel, mud, and tarmac – it's surprisingly ready for rough terrain. Second, let's check out the interior. You get an 8-inch digital driver display, a massive 12.3-inch smartphone-linked screen, 64-color ambient lighting, and an incredible dynamic sound Yamaha premium 8-speaker system. It's extremely practical too, with flexible 40-20-40 second row and 50-50 third row seating, plus Type A and C USB ports in literally every row. But get this, the panoramic sunroof adjusts in exact 5% increments. Finally, we've got to cover smart safety. You're protected by adaptive cruise control, forward collision mitigation, blind spot warning, a multi-around monitor, and 6 SRS airbags. Plus, a smartphone app lets you locate the car, check your fuel, and blast the AC remotely. Let's be real here, that remote AC isn't just some neat tech trick, it's an absolute non-negotiable lifesaver on a scorching hot day. Ultimately, the Mitsubishi Destinator proves itself to be the ultimate tech-loaded all-terrain Swiss Army knife for the modern family.